Hello, guys. So last week I was talking about the Bitcoin, and I said that I shorted from here and took profit at this point, and from this point because the price was between the moving averages, so I was out until till I see what's going to happen. And at this point, I made a post on the Tradingview saying that of course, the image says that I'm bearish, but as I said before, now waiting for the confirmation by breaking the trend line to go for my last take profit. So I was bearish, but waiting for a confirmation by a break through this trend line. So that, and as a result, today I have received a lot of messages blaming me for saying that I'm shorting or it's bearish, but this wasn't the literally what I've said. I usually don't remove the arrows or the symbols I make on the previous trades. So I was shorting here, there. I was, and I had two positions here. I closed it partially. Then I expected to go lower. I closed it around this area. Okay. The second one, then the price went up to the top of the channel. Then I shorted again and took the profit here. Then here I decided I will be shorting only if the price has confirmed the break of the trend line. So you should not make the beginner's mistakes by jumping into a trade without a confirmation. And that's it, because I have received many messages blaming me for that, and that's why I'm making this video. I said generally I'm away this period from the Bitcoin partially because it's the most volatile asset at the moment. But let's have a look anyway at the Bitcoin. So it has formed a head and shoulders here, and if we measure the target from the neckline to the top of the head and shoulders, it should be around the 80 or 79 something, 700 or something like that. So it's about to hit it. Okay, so it's between here and 80. Okay, of course, um, if I were to trade the Bitcoin, I will not try to catch these few pips, but I'm still generally bearish on the Bitcoin. Okay, I'm not going to short it currently because the price, number one, over all of the moving averages didn't break the trend line, but look at that, it's very strong, a very big channel here, or expanding diagonal even, which is much more bearish um, trigger, much more than the parallel lines. So I will be waiting until the price breaks under the trend lines and the trend line. Okay, I'm confirming. So I'm going to wait for a confirmation by breaking under the trend lines and the trend line. The person shouldn't be, the successful trader shouldn't be greedy and try to capture every single pip. No, wait for the confirmation and take a confirmed profit, even if it's a small amount of pips. It's going to be way better than risking your capital. Okay, if we move to the daily chart, this is the image. This wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four. Okay, this is very critical here. If the price reached the bottom of wave one here, overlapped with wave one, which is 8600 almost, this is going to be a disruption for the elite waves pattern. Okay, So this is going to, if someone is bullish or bearish in a bearish trade or a bullish trade, sorry, if someone is in a bearish trade, this should be his stop loss, yeah, around the 80, 81. Okay, because the wave 4 should not overlap with wave 1. Uh, so here it is, and we're expecting the price to break. Most of the analysts are expecting the price to break under this and go bearish yet. Okay, the price here is above the two moving averages on the daily chart. Be careful of that. It's not going to be easy to break under the daily moving averages. It's going to be very difficult, which means that in the upcoming days there will be a lot of choppiness. If I'm going to if I was to give advice, okay, is to avoid the Bitcoin currently due to the very high volatility in the asset. I would, and me personally, I'm going to focus much more on forex and European equities. Sorry, and indices and European indices also. So that's it. If you have any ideas, don't hesitate to write in the comments, and I'm going to respond directly. Thank you very much.